Of course, new technologies are always provocative because it's like research of an atom core, because you never know how it can be used. It can be used for nuclear weapons, and it can be used for nuclear power plants. It can give you electricity, or you can scare people. But our point of view that we have to create a tool that can be used to save life, first of all. So if this tool is created, we want it to be controlled by government, of course, and to use it legally only. That's our aim.
And you are also an entrepreneur and a passionate techie, and you're launching a company here. Tell us about what you're going to do.
Okay. I believe that we are in a juncture in time where all we have to decide what future we want to have. Because many people right now don't really know that the things which were science fiction recently already exist. Things like artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, robots. These all technologies are now aggressively being adopted by consumers. So I wanted to reinvent our understanding of what robots can be. I think that robots can be an extension of yourself. When you understand that you can control robots, you can do it, you can make it do what you want.
So instead of disabled, you'll be super enabled.
Of course, of course. It can carry heavy stuff for you. It can carry some medical equipment or do the other hard job. And of course, it can travel with you, film you if you're a video blogger, or maybe charge your equipment. So we believe that robots should be more practical and more utilitarian today. We think that we should move from aesthetically pleasing humanic form of robots to more practical and common ones. So recently I was invited in a company called Travelmate Robotics to do what I understand best. So I try to use my skills solving problems of people with disabilities, working in this company. And this company produces a very interesting robot, as I believe. So if I'm allowed,
yeah,
we can...
Should I click, or do you want to click?
I will try to click.
Yeah.
So our understanding of robot is something that you can be even affected by. So it has to solve problems. Technology solving problems is what we aim for.
Travelmate is a robot companion like no other. It's the first fully autonomous suitcase that can go anywhere. You can use it when you're going to work, when traveling, or in any other situation wherein you'd otherwise be carrying your stuff with you. If you look at the evolution of mobile phones, they started out with a singular function, and now we have smartphones that have thousands of capabilities. We want to bring the same type of innovation to suitcases. Thanks to integrated dynamically learning artificial intelligence and advanced movement features, the Travelmate Suitcase can handle large crowds and complicated situations with ease. It doesn't need any extra peripherals and has fully autonomous vertical and horizontal driving modes. Travelmate has a powerful electric motor, which is nonetheless whisper quiet. When in horizontal mode, you can add other suitcases or items on top, and Travelmate will carry them for you. This suitcase has an innovative movement system that utilizes Omni wheels to turn effortlessly. It can come to a full stop and turn 360 degrees seamlessly. Omni wheels allow the Travelmate to make tiny adjustments that allow precision on-the-fly adjustments. This is especially useful for avoiding unexpected objects or people who happen to run past the suitcase. Travelmate has turn indicators and sensors that show up when stopping or accelerating. You can adjust a variety of other features with our app, which is easy to use and intuitive. And since all of our software will be open source, it will be open to user mods, which have the potential to create new features altogether. It can also provide auditory cues if you choose to enable them via the Travelmate smartphone app. You can choose your suitcase's LED lighting colour and control it directly through the Travelmate smartphone application. Travelmate is fully compliant with TSA regulations and has a removable battery which you can use to charge your electronics. In continuous autonomous use, we anticipate a battery charge of 4 hours. Travelmate also has a variety of smart suitcase features in all models. These features include an integrated scale, which shows you the weight of your luggage, a separate easy access compartment for electronics and laptops, and a smart lock system. You never have to worry about losing your suitcase, because the Travelmate comes with a GPS chip, which will show you the location of your items at all times via our smartphone app. Travelmate is the first autonomous suitcase and robot companion that's suitable for use almost anywhere. Right now on our crowdfunding page, we're offering the Travelmate Suitcase at a starting price of $399. By supporting our project, you're getting an awesome suitcase and, at the same time, you help advance this type of technology.
It's a flirting tool too.
So this is what we believe technology should look like. Solving problems, solving real problems with ease. And of course, we are proud that the software is open source and features can be added constantly. And of course, it will evolve like smartphones recently. It will have thousands of new applications for this device. We believe that it will even be your guardian if you need. So we can call for help or something like this, or you can guard your house. Of course, this is just a platform which can be easily adapted to be used in other cases. For example, to be used as a wheelchair autopilot system, because
So that becomes and I was amazed when you said that, a smart wheelchair.
yeah, smart wheelchair. Because there are many people like me, or even in worse conditions, who cannot move even joystick. So they would be happy to use some voice commands or maybe tap on their phones to move from one room to another, or to follow their friends in the street. So we need to use autopilot systems in wheelchairs also.
So just understand it. It's an autopilot system, so you can tell your wheelchair, take me to grandma's.
Absolutely.
Yeah, stop by and get newspapers on the way.
Absolutely. That's the way we wanted to work, and we are deeply in experimental process now. So we believe that it will be out pretty soon.
And how expensive would a wheelchair like that be?
We believe that it will be attachable system. It will be attachable. It will be.
So you put that on any
yes,
other wheelchair?
like a kit, yes. Assembling kit to any wheelchair. And we believe it will cost for around $250.
$250?
Yeah, absolutely.
And when will you be ready with it to be able to present it?
In 8 months. Yeah. So I believe that we should be all open-minded, and we should all try to use ourselves to give some positive evolution to the world, using our skills, using our experience, and that's what I try to do, even in my conditions. So,
but where do you drive your energy from? I'm so inspired and impressed by you. I mean, you are. The times I've talked to you, you're always energetic, and you're like you feel like you're on a path following a dream, rather than somebody that could feel a lot of sorry for himself.
Well, I believe that I have pretty extreme sense of life, because every time when I am happy, I twice as happy as a normal person, because it's not easy to do stuff in my conditions. But when I try to do this, and when I am successful, it's very pleasing moment. So I'm happy all the day long. So I believe that healthy people have all chances to be happy also.
And what do you dream of now?
Of course, I dream of finishing my projects and go to new ones.
And if anybody here can help you with something, are you looking for funding for Clevershare?
We are looking for partners. We are looking for people who want to be involved into the development process, because we are totally open. We have links here on this slide. You can check out any project I've told here. And please write me an email. We will discuss any opportunity.
Thank you very, very much. And good luck with business, good luck with health, and good luck with being such an inspiring, wonderful person. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So much.